Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. So let us see what is coming up, guys, for your general energies. So I'll be picking few cards from each deck, guys, and at last I'll be picking a message card, that is an angel guidance message. Lovers. Six of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, the Empress, Two of Cups. Cancers, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, few of you all are heading towards a beautiful relationship. You have that attraction and love towards your person, and you have that mutual understanding, and you have that mutual emotions and feelings for each other. And maybe for some of you all, these cards may also denote some kind of a beginning of a certain creative endeavors that you are deeply passionate about. Maybe some kind of some things like painting or artworks or singing, dancing, something. So maybe you are interested in that, and maybe you are sharing those passions with someone. That may also be the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you are seeing the results for your hard work, guys. This may concern your work or in this relationship. So things are going towards a smooth flow in your life. So results are starting to appear. So whatever you were expecting, you are seeing that. And maybe for some of you all, you would have planned for a kid, having a child, and you are maybe you are pregnant, or your person is pregnant, or someone from your family is having a child. So that is also the energy here. And you feel the sense of happiness and gratification for how things are going, some kind of accomplishments, maybe some small victories in your life, maybe in your work, some completion of certain projects or certain work that has given you great satisfaction. So you feel that kind of fulfillment in your heart. So that may also be the energy here, guys. Maybe for some of your Cancers, you may be getting people who are coming towards you with gifts. This may be your person. They may be coming with gifts, or somebody else, your friend or family, someone is coming with gifts, guys. That is also the energy here, Cancers. So you have that love, attraction, and deep bond with this person, passion. Maybe you share that love for art or some passion with this person you love. So you may be interchanging ideas, and you may come to you may find out something about that. You may learn from each other about the things you are really passionate about. So that may also be the energy here, Cancers. So let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards, Cancers. So what is coming with these cards? And also cancers, whatever you are trying, maybe if you are planning to have a child, or if you are trying for some projects or some assignments to complete in a positive way, those things are coming to a successful completion. So whatever you want, you desire, you are getting it, guys. Key. House. So the energy here, guys, again is that whatever you are planning, whatever you feel is missing, that may be the necessary thing for your success, you are going to get that, Cancer. So that missing link is coming towards you. Whatever you need for a successful completion in your work or in this relationship, and you are structuring your life, guys. You are going in for that a comfortable, stable relationship, secure relationship, and you are working towards that. You are working towards deepening your relationship and structuring your life. Maybe for some of you all, you may be taking counsel from somebody, some friends or family, older siblings. Someone may be giving you wise suggestions or counsel, or they may be controlling you in some way. You feel they may have that authority over you regarding your financial investments or financial decisions, and they have great concern on you, so they are doing it out of love. That may also be the energy here, Cancers. So things that you want to manifest, you are surely seeing the path to attain those goals, guys. The path you are seeing to reach those goals, that is also the energy here with these cards. So whatever is giving you that potential, additional potential, you are getting it, and you are getting that protection, guys, in whatever situation you feel. Maybe in your work, you feel that protective hand over you, so something helps you all along in your day. Maybe it may be something very small, but you see that you realize that something is helping you every day, maybe through some kind of intuition, or through some stranger just randomly helping you, or just speaking few words. Maybe those may be the signs that a universe is showing you that you are having that protection from the universe. So something like that, guys. And you are structuring your life, Cancers, and you are structuring your relationship. You are creating your boundaries, and you are clearly defining your role in your relationship with this person. So you share a very great understanding and bond with each other. That is also the energy here, Cancers. So let us see what is the angels' guidance for today, guys. I'll be picking one card. Show justice. Sometimes in life, when we need to make a correct choice and correct decision, guys, we need to evaluate the situation. It does not have to be who is right, who is wrong, or who is superior, and we do not have to control or dictate, but we have to clearly have the assessment of that situation, and we have to evaluate from others a point of view also. So we, before taking a particular stand in any situation, we should be open to judgments, and we should listen to the other person. When you do that, it will help us to interact more clearly with the other person and get a clear understanding of a situation, guys. So that is what the angels are guiding us with today, Cancers. And that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Cancers.